Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm super excited. I'm opening a brand new subscription. It's not only brand new to me, it's just brand new in general. It's called the Positive Package, and I absolutely love the idea of this. So it's meant to send positive vibes your way. They get items from around the world that are from like positive type projects or helping others. I don't really know what's inside it yet, but I know it's meant to positively impact not only you, but other people as well. This was very kindly sent to me to review, and look how cute the bag is that it came in. So let's see, there's bananas on here, and it says, to share your unboxing, and it says, did you know that bananas are actually smiles? Let's get unboxing because we find you very appealing. That's cute. So yeah, I think the packaging is super cute. I'm super excited to see what's in here. I have no idea what comes inside. I did look up the pricing, and you can either subscribe to this or get it as a one-time off or a one-time box. And it's $39.99. So let's see what's in here. All right. So inside the cute bag is a cute box. So it says the Positive Package, World Positivity. Like seriously, isn't that such a great concept? Like, look at that. Just like, I just need sometimes to see some smiley face and just know, just even thinking positive vibes just kind of sets your mind to think more positively, I think. So let's see what's in here. I'm so curious. And it's awesome. It looks like this box is made from eco-conscious stuff. It's recyclable, good working conditions, all that. Oh my gosh. Everything about this is so cute. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. So there's like another packaging. It says, work for a cause, not applause. Lisa and Sammy are the founders, and it says the good traveler has a gift of surprise. And please enjoy and help us share positivity worldwide. We have traveled around the world to bring you these original treats, and know that as you receive your goodies that you are giving back positively to the communities worldwide. Share your unboxing and journey together by posting on social media using hashtags, and then it lists that. So awesome. And then I think, oh, so this on the cardboard here that is covering everything inside, it tells you all of the goodies in there. So this is so cute. And this is awesome. You can recycle it. Oh my gosh, you guys, everything in this is so beautiful. This would make such a great gift. Look at now. Like, it's just like impeccably packaged. Okay, this is so cute. It says thanks, love, and laughter, and then it's from Lisa, and it has this cute, oh my god. I like just love cute little things, but it has nothing to do with it. Okay. This is so beautiful. Okay, and then there's another little note here. Let's see. Oh, it says you will see that there's a bunch of pegs in your box. Help us spread positivity by writing positive love notes and messages on these cards. That's so cute. How it works, it says grab a pen or pencil, write a positive note, and peg them randomly in our world. That is so cute. I was already obsessed with the little pegs, and now I'm like, this is even cuter. So this is like a little package here. Like, seriously, this is so adorable. Look at the little buffalo sticker. Oh my god, let's see what this looks like. And yeah, there's like little blank cards like they have in here, so you can just write some stuff, and then it says World Positivity and stuff, Positive Package, so you can hang these around. That is so cute. Okay, can I just show you again, like, how adorable is that? I like feel bad even opening it, like, oh my gosh. I wish I could wrap cute like this. So this is what is underneath. It's full of goodies. The first thing I see says, if you want good fortune, come to thee. Try wishing on this money tree. I need some good fortune. So then this is a little baggie that came inside. Like there's a little pop of green on the back, and it feels like something's inside it. Aw. There's 100 grand in it. That's so cute, that's funny. Oh my god, I haven't had one of these in years. I'm excited to try that. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Let's see. Okay, does it have something on here? Okay, I think this is the Cambodian made coin purse. So that's cute. I love that it's made in Cambodia. My old roommate, my good friend, she went to Cambodia on a trip before, and she loved it there. It seems like such a great, positive place. All right, the next thing I see, it says, have a cup of positivity, but like with tea, like the drink. That's cute. This is so cute and fun to open. So let's see, this is lemongrass tree and it is from Cambodia. Look how it is packaged. Seriously, this is the cutest thing ever. And this is Cambodian Single-Serve Tea, a delightful single serve of beautiful artisan tea. I'm no tea drinker, but I'm converted by this delightful brew. Enjoy your tea, sip, and savor. I will sure you will find yourself feeling tea-rific. So cute. Let's see what the teas look like. I love this little holder for the tea. Oh my god. Alright, and this is the tea. So I actually have like a little thing I can brew my tea in, so if it's loose tea, that's totally fine with me. Alright, moving on. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I ever mentioned this, but I love elephants so much. And look at this cute little guy. Oh my god, little keychain. I should put my key on this. My car key to that and anything right now. I like lost my keychain or it broke or something, so this is so cute and perfect. It says, and when things start to happen, don't worry, don't stew, just go right along, you'll start happening too. This is handcrafted by elephant-loving Cambodians. A pop of color will help find your keys, like an elephant in a Cambodian jungle. Elephants stand for good luck, wisdom, and serenity. Oh, I love elephants, awesome. What is this? This looks like it might be a food type thing. Or is it, oh, a bath type thing, okay. Soaking in the positivity and blessings. Soak, baby, soak. So, oh, cool. Add a spoonful to the bath or foot spa to transport yourself into dreamland. It's lotus and lavender Cambodian trail mix. Awesome. This smells so good. So this is like bath salt and this package is super cute. I'm not going to open it and make a mess. And then what is this? I think the little thing fell out. This looks like a little cloth. Let's see what this says. This is a Cambodian handmade cotton scarf. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. How beautiful. I can't believe this is made from Cambodians. Oh my god. I love that there's a Cambodian theme. This is beautiful. I love it. It smells really good from being with everything in the box. Like those bath salts smell like lavender. Oh, awesome. I love this box. This is making me feel positive. It really is. And then the next thing it says, you are never fully dressed without a smile. I think this is a t-shirt just because I spotted that on the description. This is 100% cotton made in Cambodia. Oh my gosh, I love this. It has an elephant on it. And I love that it has a slight v-neck. This is, and it looks like it'll fit. Like it's a little small, but this will fit me. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love this box. Oh my god, I'm so grateful I got this. There's more stuff in here too. So what is this? I think this might be like soap, is that what this is? Oh, a little candle. It says, a candle loses nothing by lighting another candle. Okay, got it. Oh my god, this smells really good. And that says Peace Cambodia on it. Oh my gosh. Nice. I love candles. Okay, this is the soap. I knew there was soap in here. This is wrapped really cute. It says Eco Soap Bar. Awesome. Oh, this is really cool. Eco Soap Inc. is a global hygiene program and it recycles hotel soap for the developing world. So that is so awesome. This box is so great. I love that it supports such, you know, good causes, and I love that it's all from Cambodia. I am so grateful I got this box. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I love it. I highly recommend it. This is so sweet. I think it's such a great gift. Like just opening it itself is so fun. All the things in here really did make me feel more positive and happy. I love elephants so much. I want to put this elephant shirt on after this because honestly, it's a little hot here in Florida and I just like wear sweaters for filming. I'm probably like sweating right now. But anyways, this box is so great. I will leave all the information down below in the description box if you want to check it out. I think it's, you know, I just love the whole meaning behind the box and I think it really does make me feel more positive and it will make you positive too. So anyways, let's get our advent calendar now. So this video is going up on the 14th. I found it. So for day 14, this is another item from the almond line. This is Supple Skin Oil. So yesterday we got the skin lotion, and now here's the skin oil. And I am a fan of oils everywhere. I usually use them on my face, but I do like body oils as well. Especially if you get a massage from someone or just want to do it yourself. This will work. So awesome. So that concludes today's video. I feel way more positive than I did at the beginning of this. I can't wait to use my new goodies. This was so fun to unbox. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope you check out their website that I will leave below. And totally forgot to mention, so this video is going up on the 14th. I have a giveaway ending at midnight Eastern time, so I will leave that giveaway link down below. So if you have not yet, please enter, and good luck, and I will announce the winner shortly. Bye guys.